Hello, let's start about ECG. The standard EKG is composed of 12 separate leads. Limb leads, chest leads. Limb leads are 1, 2, 3, AVL, and AVL. Chest leads are V1 to V6. To obtain the limb leads, electrodes are placed on the right arm electrode, the left arm, and the left leg electrode. A pair of electrode is used to record a lead. Remember, again, a pair of electrodes is used to record a lead. Two electrodes are used to record a lead. A different pair is used for this lead. Each bipolar limb lead is recorded using two electrodes. So, by selecting a different pair of electrodes for each lead, we create three separate bipolar limb leads. Lead 1, lead 2, and lead 3 for recording. Lead 1, lead 2, lead 3. Each limb lead consists of a pair of electrodes. One is positive and one is negative. So, these leads are called bipolar limb leads. Lead 1 is horizontal, and its left arm electrode is positive, while its right arm electrode is negative. When you consider lead 3, the left arm electrode is now negative, and the left leg electrode is positive. Note, the engineering wonders of the EKG machine permits us to make any spin electrode positive or negative, depending on which pair of electrodes, that is, which lead the machine is recording. The bipolar limb lead configuration is sometimes called Einthoven triangles. By pushing the three bipolar limb leads to the center of the triangle, we produce three intersecting lines of reference. By pushing three bipolar limb leads to the center of the triangle, we produce three intersecting lines of reference. Another standard lead is the AVF lead. The AVF lead uses the left foot electrode as positive and both arm electrode as a common ground negative. The AVF leads uses the left foot electrode as positive. In AVF, both the right and left arm electrode are channeled into a common ground that has negative charge. Ground has negative charge and positive charge. For lead AVR, the remaining two augmented limb leads, AVR and AVL, are obtained in a similar manner. For the AVR lead, the right arm is positive and the remaining two electrodes are negative. To obtain the AVL lead, the left arm electrode is made positive. Left arm electrode is made positive and the other two electrodes are negative. Note, AVR right arm positive, AVL left arm positive, and AVF foot positive. These augmented limb leads are sometimes called the unipolar limblets, stressing the importance of the positive electrode. The augmented limblets AVR, AVL, and AVF. AVR, AVL, and AVF intersect at different angles than those produced by the bipolar limblets. They produce three other intersecting lines of reference. These are AVR, AVL, and AVF. 6 limblets of the standard EKG, bipolar limblets, and augmented limblets combined creates 6 intersecting limblets of the standard EKG. All 6 limblets 1, 2, 3 and AVR, AVL and AVF need to form 6 intersecting leads that lie in a flat frontal plane on the patient's chest. Six limblets are at 6 different angles. AVR, AVL, 1, 2, 3 and AVF. This camera, this is a camera position represents the positive electrode of a standard limblette. Each limblette 1, 2, 3, AVR, AVL and AVF records from a different angle or viewpoint to provide a different view of the same cardiac activity. Note, the heart's electrical activity remains constant, but the positive electrode position changes from lead to lead. Therefore, the tracing looks slightly different in each lead, as the angle from which we record the electrical activity changes with each lead. Remember, a wave of deposition is a progressive wave of positive charges passing through the myocardial cells. So, when a deposition wave moves towards the positive electrode, a positive deflection is produced on the EKG or ECG or monitor for that particular lead. A little repetition shares what is so important. Read again and understand these topics. The importance of the positive electrode's position is emphasized by the conventional group of limblets. A positive left arm electrode is used to record lateral leads 1 and AVL, lateral leads 1 and AVL, and positive left foot electrode is used to record inferior leads 2, 3 and AVL. The location of the positive electrode is the key. Now, chest leads. V1 to V6. To obtain 6 standard chest leads, a positive electrode or suction curve is placed at different 6 positions, one for each lead on the chest. Chest leads in the horizontal plane. Anterior, posterior. Each of the chest lead is oriented through the AV node and projects through the patient's back. This is negative. Patient's back is negative. The plane of the chest leads, called the horizontal plane, cuts the body into the top and bottom halves. Chest leads on EKG. By examining on an EKG, we will notice that the waves in the 6 chest leads show progressive changes from V1 to V6. When observing the chest leads from V1 to V6, you will see gradual change in all the waves. Gradual change in all the waves. As the position of the positive electrode changes for each successive leads. Leads V1 and V2 are leads V1 and V2 are oriented over the right side of the chest, the right ventricle, while V5 and V6 oriented over the left side of the chest. Leads V3 and V4 are generally oriented over the interventricular septum. V3 is nearer the right ventricle and V4 is nearer the left ventricle. V3 right ventricle and V4 is nearer the left ventricle. Thank you.